Hello, dear students. So let's take your very first chapter of the geography India size and location. And this chapter is very important because technically lots of terms will come in this chapter. And of course, as the chapter is naming itself, that we are going to study about the India's size and location especially. Okay, so let's continue. So this is globe. Okay, and let's study this globe properly. So as you can see, this is the equator. I hope all you are familiar with this term equator. Okay, and equator divides the globe into two parts. Okay, so upper part, the northern part of the equator is called northern hemisphere, and southern part of the equator is called southern hemisphere. And as you can see, India's location is northern hemisphere. Okay, India lies in the northern hemisphere on the globe. Okay, so what are latitudes? So angular distance from the equator is called latitude, and these lines which are parallel with the equator are known as latitudes. Okay, these lines. Okay, so now let's study about the equator. So this is the equator. Okay, and wait, let me zoom it. This middle one, this is known as the 0 degree. Wait. This is known as the 0 degree of the equator. Okay, why we are taking this 0 degrees? Because we study from the latitudinal extent of the various countries climatic conditions and climatic factors. So we mention these all the degrees, and this is the India's location, and this will create some angular distance with the India. We'll be taking this angular distances later. Okay, so this is the 0 degree of the equator. Okay, now let's talk about the longitudes. So this is the prime meridian. Okay, this is the horizontal longitudinal line, but this main line is called prime meridian. Okay, and all the parallel lines with the prime meridian are known as longitudes. Okay, these lines are known as longitudes. These lines start from the poles and ends at the southern pole. Okay, so these lines are here, but let's find out the 0 degree of the longitudinal extent also. So let's zoom it, and let me tell you here. This is the United Kingdom. Okay, we don't take the southern Ireland in the United Kingdom, but overall we call it United Kingdom. Okay, so you can see this prime meridian is passing from here. So this place, okay, this place is known as 0 degree of the prime meridian, and this place is the Greenwich city. It is Greenwich city in England. Okay, so why geographers took this place as 0 degree? Because when the geographers uh, were forming these imaginary lines, let me tell you, these lines are imaginary. Okay, these lines are not exist in actual on the globe. Okay, so these are imaginary lines drawn by the geographers to study the globe, to study about the earth, to study about the various countries location and their climatic conditions. Okay, so that time when geographers were discussing about these matters, so they were here in Greenwich city, so they took this place as the 0 degree. Okay, now I hope all you are familiar with the directions. So let me show you the direction, because direction will tell us about the India's location on the world map. So as I told you that this was the prime meridian, this is the prime meridian, and if we'll go the 0 degree here, this is the east, this is the west, and this is north upper, and this is south. Okay, and eight directions are there, so let's form all the directions. So this is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Okay, so as you can see that India lies over here. So India's location on the world map is the southeastern country. Okay, Southeast Asian country. I hope all you are getting all these properly, and please clear these all the concept in your mind, because here you'll be knowing about the globe and the India's location. Okay, as I told you that the equator tells us about the climatic condition of the countries. So this prime meridian and longitudinal extents tell us about the time and date of the countries here. So time and dates of the countries. Okay, means that is why this line is also known as the international date line. Okay, international date line. Okay, because these longitudinal extents tell us about the time and dates of the various countries. Okay, so I have told you about the India's location. So like this you can get the location of each and every country on the globe. So we'll be taking the further lecture in the next video. If you are having any kind of doubt, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much.